Hey guys, welcome to Long Naps. Today I'll be showing you how to fix Messenger sound not working problem. And now let's dive right in. Now to fix the Messenger sound problem on your phone, first open up the Messenger app itself and let's go. And after you have opened your Messenger app, at the top left corner of the screen you can see the three line icon. Tap on the three line icon like this, and when this interface appears at the top right corner of this section, you can see the settings icon. Tap on that settings icon like this, and after that scroll down and you can see the notifications and sounds option available over here. Tap on the notifications and sounds. First, you will have to check or go through the notifications and sound settings on your phones itself or the app itself. Check either these notification sounds of any type are turned off, and if any of these options on your phone are turned off, you will be required to turn them on in order for your messenger sound to work properly from over here. Or if your sound is not coming out of your messenger account, even if all of these options are turned on, then tap on the customize notification just below the ringtone like this, and you will be over here, which is the settings of the sound from your phone itself. And over here you can see all of the notification sounds which will be provided by the chat to our phone, and the phone will start showing notifications. If any of these notifications like these are turned off, like this, or vibrate, and or it's turn on the ignore do not disturb option, you can see there is the ignore do not disturb option available. If it's turned on, then you will not be getting any notifications. With that being said guys, check these notifications and turn on any notifications if they have been turned off like this through the in-app notification and as from the settings. And even if your messenger sound problem is not fixed, then probably there is a problem with your hardware. You might want to check that out with your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how you fix your messenger sound not working problem. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.